Using this app, I'm going to show you practically how you can earn daily income from just sitting at your home. And I'm going to show you how you can earn as much as 5,000 naira and withdraw as minimum as 800 naira using just your smartphone. You don't need to do hard task or any extreme job. No, it's very simple and very smooth. So I'm going to show you practically how you can use OPay app, OPay bank app you use for your daily transaction or for your airtime subscription or your data subscription. How you can use this app and how this app can pay you itself. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because you're going to gain value of this lesson. I'm going to show you practically here today. And if you've not subscribed, please make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel so you don't miss other valuable contents I'm going to put out on this my YouTube channel. And I'm going to switch over to my phone and show you practically how you're going to do it. And let's go.
So guys, when you come into your OP app, then the place you're going to go is you come to rewards, this reward section here. You come to this reward section here. Let me show you guys. This is the reward section here. This reward section here. So you come to the reward section and you come to rewards. Then when you come to the reward section, then you're going to scroll up here. You see refer friends. Refer friends. This is what you're going to click. You're referring friends here. You click on it. Then you wait for it to load. Then you're going to wait for it to load. Okay, now this is where I want to show you guys. So now if you look here, they said invite friends to help you win up to 5,600 naira cash. And you know that this is OP app, they are a trustworthy platform. They will definitely pay you for sure. Now, if you look at me, I'm currently on my own journey. I have so far earned about 750 naira. So now they say that you can withdraw once you get to 800 naira. Now, if you look at it, they say my own is 15 naira remaining left. Then I will withdraw 800 naira. Now, if you look, I'm almost done. I'm almost just 15 naira. So what you're going to do is simple. You're going to get a link that you're going to share and invite people that know using the OP app to sign up through your link. Then when they sign up and make transaction, maybe like bank transfer or subscription of airtime, then you're going to get credited. You're going to be rewarded here. Now let me show you the rules where they said the rules here. Now they said you're going to share your promo link with friends and earn rewards. Once they click the link, enter their phone numbers and complete a bill payment of 100 naira or more. So that means they're going to make transaction of 800 naira or above, 100 naira minimum and above. Or they will make their first OP to OP transfer and you receive up to 5,600 naira in rewards. So what you're going to do here, you come here to click share. You're going to click share link to refer. You click on it. Then you're going to get a unique personal link, a unique link that you're going to use to refer your own friends. Then once you get it, you come to more. Then when you come to more, let's be patient. So if you look now, when you load there, you see you can share your link to your WhatsApp. If I click here now, I can share to my WhatsApp or Instagram or any platform you would like to share your link to. So let me go back. So once you come here, you click here, then you're going to share your link to any platform you want to invite your friends to, either your WhatsApp or text message or any social media platform you are using.
If you've gained value of what you've learned today, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell because there are more valuable content. I'm going to show you different means of how you can earn daily income using your smartphone. And make sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video to your friends, your enemies, and whosoever that you want to earn daily income from just their smartphone. And I will see you guys in the next video.